Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Google form for a survey questionnaire. To start, simply open your web browser and type forms. Google.com. Once there, you will see an option to begin a new blank form. Click on that. The very first step is to give your survey a meaningful title, perhaps Customer Feedback Survey or Employee Satisfaction Poll, and add a short description to guide your respondents. This sets the stage for your entire data collection effort. Now, let's add some questions. Google Forms offers several question types, including multiple choice, checkboxes, drop-downs, and short answer text. Select the type that best suits your data needs. For crucial information, remember to toggle the required option so respondents cannot skip it. You can also customize the form's look by choosing a theme, changing colors, and selecting different fonts to match your brand or preference, making it visually appealing. Next, we'll dive into the Settings tab, which is crucial for controlling how your survey behaves. Here, you can choose to collect email addresses from respondents, which is helpful for follow-ups. For surveys requiring unique input, you can limit responses to just one per person. If your survey has many questions, consider enabling the progress bar. It helps respondents track their completion and can improve engagement, making the experience smoother for everyone. Finally, it's time to share your survey and collect responses. You have several options. Send it directly via email, generate a shareable link to distribute, or embed the form directly onto your website. Once responses start coming in, you can view them in real time under the Responses tab. For more in-depth analysis, Google Forms allows you to easily export all your collected data into a Google Sheet, providing a powerful tool for understanding your survey results.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.